Hi everyone, welcome to Life School. Today we're discussing how to develop an attractive and confident body language. So let's start. Have you ever entered a room and immediately seen someone who just exudes confidence without uttering a word? That's the power of body language. It says more than words, and when it's done correctly, it can make you instantly more attractive, likable, and respected. Today, let's discuss developing confident and attractive body language, step by step. Section 1. Posture. Your foundation of confidence. The number one rule of confident body language? Improve your posture. Stand up straight, straighten your spine, relax those shoulders. Picture a string tugging at the top of your head, gently toward the ceiling. That's how you should stand. Poor posture yells insecurity. Good posture makes you look instantly more confident, and that's noticed. Section 2. Eye contact, the silent power tool. Confident people don't avoid eye contact, they embrace it. Maintain eye contact 50 to 60% of the time during conversations. This shows presence, trust, and charisma. But remember, don't stare. The trick? Look at one eye, then the other, then the mouth. This subtle triangle keeps things natural. Section 3. Smile, simple but magnetic. A genuine smile is magnetic. It makes you approachable and instantly boosts your attractiveness. Self-assured individuals smile with purpose, not all the time, but at the appropriate times. Need to exercise? Practice the Duchenne smile. It's when your eyes crinkle and your lips do. That's authentic. Section 4. Hand gestures. Speak with your hands. Don't have your hands in your pockets or your arms crossed. These are closed-off messages. Instead, employ open and controlled hand movements. As you speak, allow your hands to mirror your words, but not randomly. It indicates that you're present, expressive, and self-assured. Bonus tip: show your palms. This unconsciously conveys honesty and friendliness. Section 5. Space and movement. Own your presence. Confident body language implies that you're at ease in your space. Don't shrink yourself or fidget excessively. When you walk, make deliberate, purposeful strides. When you're seated, don't slouch or shrink your presence. Take your space without arrogance. Don't also fear stopping in mid-sentence in your conversations. Quiet can be an awesome strength. Silence betrays confidence and composure. Section 6. Mirroring, build instant connection. Seeking to connect instantly. Just mirror, surreptitiously copy the other's pose, body movements, or inflection. It establishes instant connection and faith in the person. Just ensure to keep it discreet. You are not imitating, you're getting in sync. Section 7. Practice makes natural. Here's the truth. Assertive body language isn't something you can just fake it. It's something you must practice until your body learns how to do it naturally. Watch yourself, take notes, and practice in the mirror. In time, it won't come across as being forced. It'll feel natural. Body language is your silent envoy, and once you learn how to use it, you're not only seen as confident, you become confident too. Remember, stand tall, make eye contact, smile naturally, make purposeful gestures, own your space, mirror with purpose. Confidence is a skill, and all skills are learnable. If you benefited from this, give that like button and subscribe for additional tips on building confidence. Leave a comment. What's one bad body language habit you want to break? Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.